Yeah, so altcoins are probably never coming back, and you're stuck back holding them until they are even more worthless than they are right now. And I'm gonna tell you why I think that's the case, and if you think I'm wrong, that's fine. Okay, so the first logical question is, why should you care about my opinion? Well, I have a fake plant and you don't. Alright, so reason number one, altcoins follow Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is having diminishing returns with every bull run. We had 800x, and then 400, and then 120, and the next cycle, if it's gonna happen, Bitcoin will probably run up to like 150,000, 60. So not, if we bottom at 50,000, that's less than a 3x. So yeah, if altcoins follow Bitcoin and Bitcoin is giving diminishing returns, we are probably not going to see anything impressive with altcoins. So I mean, best case scenario, let's take a random coin. This last bull run, it barely did anything. That's like what, a 4x. Even in a bull run, Cardano, for example, is probably not going to get any return. Probably a 2-3x best case scenario. It's just not worth trading anymore if it follows Bitcoin. So yeah, that's reason number one. Reason number two is there's just too many altcoins and limited number of people willing to invest money in them, which dilutes basically the whole market. So if we compare how many altcoins were in 2017 to now, we went from like 1,000. Like, even if this number is way off, we went from thousands to millions, and there's just too many altcoins. Reason number three is because there's a lot of back holders that just want to break even, and they will sell if they get an opportunity. And my guess is they will never get that chance, so they will probably sell it at a loss, but that means there will never be an all-time high. For example, people that bought in 2021 and they hoped they were going to sell in 2024, and they probably never did because they never managed to break even. They will end up probably selling in the next bull run. So yeah, the bag holders will drag the market down. Reason number four is crypto is just not fun anymore. People are interested in AI nowadays, or in different things. And if we take into account the fact that Bitcoin did not offer significant returns in the last bull run, it did 8 probably X or something in that range. It's getting to a point where it's just not worth the risk of investing in cryptocurrency, because there's a lot of scams, and it is still more profitable if you buy the bottom and sell the top compared to buying the S&P, but it is way more risky. So it's just getting to a point where it's just not worth it anymore. Also, the people that are not yet into crypto are way less likely to get into it now than they were a few years ago. For example, on X, the most muted topic is cryptocurrency. So yeah, what I think is going to happen is there will be a bull run. It will be even more underwhelming than the last one, and your favorite altcoins will not reach previous highs. And if you don't sell them now or in the next bull run, you're probably gonna end up back holding them until they become pretty much worthless. So that's my opinion. I hope I'm wrong, but I will not be buying altcoins the next bull run. So yeah, that's just my opinion. I don't know. That's it.